Governor Monday Okpebholo don yarn say him and in government go make sure say Edo workers dey alright, say civil servants go dey enjoy correct ogbonge things under e administration. Oga Governor yarn this one on Friday when Edo State chapter of Nigerian Labour Congress NLC people waka come greet am for Government House, Benin City. They come to congratulate the governor as court don confirm and say true na im win September 21, 2024 election. Oga Okpebholo tok say all the ogbonge things wey workers dey enjoy no be sake of say dem beg or shout, but na sake of say government suppose do am. Say dem no dey do gra-gra for workers matter as na their job to serve dem. E tok say Edo people vote for dem and dem go work make everybody dey alright. Oga Governor still yarn say in government dey open, say dem no dey fear talk and say anybody wey wan give correct advice make e drop am. E come also yarn say Naija Presido renewed hope package don give dem space to perform and serve Edo people wella as dem dey run ogbonge practical governance.
We just do what we are doing because it's our responsibility to do it, and that is why for the first place people voted for us. They didn't vote for us to come and sit down, then intimidate them. It's to work for them. So whatever we are doing is, to me, it's just nothing. It's the work that we have to do. We try as much as possible to also make sure that we are transparent in everything we do so that tomorrow we won't regret. I'm not afraid of criticism, but I like criticism. Where you criticize, then I'll correct my wrongs. So if you have any area where you want to criticize, please go ahead, criticize. Then I'll correct if it's wrong what I'm doing. Then now you are singing praises. I will pray that God give me the strength to do more. We keyed into the President Renew Hope agenda. That has given us room to do the right thing and to make sure that the people are happy. And once the people are happy, then we'll have a good society to live. But when the people are not happy, that is when you see trouble here and there. But so far, so good. We can even see in terms of our governance, the legislatures, the PDP, they are the speaker. We have not fought them. We didn't remove them. And you see in the past, where you have 14 members out of the House because they were not party members. But today, both PDP, APC, Labour, they are all dwelling together, working together in harmony. So I want to assure you that we will continue to do our best. And you have made some requests. I will look at them. Those that I think is necessary, I will take it. So we'll look at other areas where they don't have enough feed right now, where we can get a capable person. So let's look at it so that everybody will be carried along.
Comrade Bernard Egwehide wey be NLC acting chairman come hail Governor Okpebholo well as him begin list all the good things wey don shele. E come yarn say workers dey happy with him style, say him don create correct vibe for office, plus also dey give plenty people employment opportunities.
In Abuja, we all mobilize our workers to receive you in the airport because what you've done for us in my 26 years of being a worker in the state, I've not seen it happening. You almost make labor look as if we have no job to perform because before we plan to attack, you release. Before you plan to attack, you release. Without we asking, you gave us 13 months. Without we asking, our university, that those persons that says that they have PhD, KIK, and every other thing, they almost condemn the University of Ambrose University. You raise their subvention from 41 million. For those persons that feel that they were the most educated persons on earth, and they feel that they were doing too much good to education, you raise it from 41 million naira to 500 million naira. Without we asking workers that were casualized in Edo State, that were collecting 15,000, 25,000 naira, you make them permanent staffs in Edo State, and the list are collecting 70,000 naira. So many things you've done. Without even asking the 50 million naira that normally give to pensioner monthly, you've increased both state and local government to 1 billion naira. We wonder this same state where people that says that the master of books were and they couldn't do all these things today, you are doing it. The Lord will guide you, protect you, and keep you alive for us. We are here today to celebrate your victory in the tribunal court. We are so proud and we're keep praying because so many things that you've done, nobody has done it for us. We were here the last time we came. The last time we came, we made some complaints and instantly you gave response to it. We're proud to tell you today that the HOS and head of service and the SSG have been able to inaugurate a committee for contribution pension scheme because that is one of the biggest problems our retired staffs are getting. Mr. Know-it-all came and introduced compulsory pension scheme to us. And because of that, a lot of pensioners that were getting good after retirement, they will get at least close to whatever they were getting as civil servant are no longer getting it. They now get like a level 17, level 16 officer got take home 60,000 naira as his wages every month in a state where we pay 70,000 naira as minimum wage. I want to say that the committee have done a good work. The committee will come and submit the report to you. Instantly too, the second committee that was inaugurated was a committee for minimum wage. Your Excellency, sir, I'll be proud to tell you that good work have been done. And since we know that we have a governor that even though we don't ask, you will do. You know what is good for your people. We see the transformation in states, in roads in the states. Things that we think were not doable are becoming doable to you. We are here that teachers have been employed. Post-primary teachers and primary teachers, 500, 200 has been employed by your government. We want to say thank you on behalf of Edo workers. We sincerely don't have anything to tell you than to tell you thank you because you are a great leader. You are a messiah of our time, and we pray that God will give you the strength and the energy to pilot the affair of Edo. Edo will not born again, as our predecessor said, because we are ready to work hand in hand with you to do everything humanly possible, because you've shown us a lot of reasons for us to believe that you are a governor with human heart. You are a governor that will promise and you do. At the time we came to complain about the death of one of our late comrade chairman, Kaduna Eboigodi, instantly, that very day you wanted to go there, if not for the HOS that advised that at least you can go the next day. Instantly, the next day, you call us and all of us went to that place and condole the family. In that same place, all what you promises. I was in local government commission where the wife entitlement for gratuity, the husband death benefit, the child, the daughter has been given employment. All what you promised, all have been done. It's not, you are not a governor that promise and will not do. You are a governor that have the feeling of the people at heart. That's why we say today there is need for Nigerian Labour Congress to come and congratulate you, facilitate with you, so that God will give you more power. In our local language, it says, who say thank you, now they're doing more good. So today, we are here to tell you thank you for you to do more for us. Your Excellency, sir, we want to let you know that Workers' Day, Workers' Christmas is May Day, May 1st. And May 1st is the official day where you will see Edo workers will actually celebrate you. It's a day where you see whatever has not happened in labor in Edo will happen on the 1st. Sir, because of your tight schedule, we've been written letters to government because normally it is government that sponsors most of the activities of May Day. So we want to say that because of the court cases, going up and down, to do so many jobs, you've not been chance to actually go through our records. So we feel today that we are here, we will submit some of these, our requests to you, because we know that we have a listening governor, a governor that will give us everything we want. First, promotion in Edo State has been very regular. But since they dissolved the Civil Service Commission, we want to beg that the Civil Service Commission should be constituted so that promotions of workers will be normal like before. And because we feel that this government is government that is always putting the right peg on the right hole, we want to appeal that first, one of our just retired peers, Ekbarase George, from Local Government Commission, should be looked upon as the commission chairman because he has all the nitty-gritty it takes. He has been in the central admin where promotion issues are being handled. And we pray that our request will be granted, sir. And sir, we want to say in labor, there is need for us to, we want to appeal that there is need for us to have an essay on labor, that we channel most of our problems so that we will not be coming most time to meet with you like this. We'll have one of our veterans, a barrister, somebody that has been state secretary to Nigerian Labour Congress before, a chieftain of our great party, All Progressives Party, comrade barrister Kingsley Iyamu, who appeal if there is vacancy or space in your government for such position, that he will be very good to be an intermediary between the government and labor in the state.
As e dey hot, another visitor still show face for government house wey be the new Central Bank of Nigeria branch controller for Edo, wey be Oga Akpanke Utiande. The governor come here and say make dem join hand work together to help Edo people. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Government House, Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC News.